Designing a data warehouse doesn't have to take months. With AI, you can go from a transactional source system to an analytics-ready dimensional model in just hours. It starts by reverse engineering your transactional database to automatically capture its metadata. Using AI chat, you can then restructure that model into a star schema, creating fact and dimension tables with simple natural language prompts. Once the design is finalized, you forward engineer it to your target environment, whether that's Azure Synapse, Snowflake, Redshift, or another platform. Next comes data integration. The system automatically generates straightforward source-to-warehouse mappings, while AI assists with more complex logic, such as calculated measures and transformations. From there, you expand into workflows. Incremental pipelines for loading facts and dimensions are generated automatically, and you can easily add operational tasks, like email notifications, to confirm successful runs. Finally, scheduling lets you fully automate the process, running hourly, daily, or weekly, so your warehouse stays continuously up to date and analytics ready. The result is a fully synchronized dimensional star schema built and maintained with AI, delivering fast, reliable insights without long development cycles. And with the Astera Analytics Workbench, you can go even further, generating charts and visualizations using natural language prompts.